Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to Gigabyte driver and then you can see here right hand side to search button, just click it and then type your model number of motherboard which is required to driver. Then click to guys product. Then click the name of the title. So guys, then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system Windows 10 11 which is required. So select any installations process which is I am saying like same. Okay. WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. C Wi-Fi driver, Intel Wi-Fi driver. Okay, click to download. Otherwise download different version. So Intel Wi-Fi driver. It will start automatically. So wait few seconds. It depends about your internet. You can see here there are two installed. So it is completed. Then open. After that double click to exe. You can see here exe. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing and install it.